And we're live.
We're live?
Grandest of the rising. Yes, we are live.
The grandest.
The grandest. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I do have a setup here. I'm watching towards the open, so don't mind me wanting to be all fucking fancy and just degenning off the open. Not degenning, actually. If we come up into VWAP and can reject, I really like it. I really, really like it. So let's see what happens. Basically, if we come up here into 840s, that's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. First thing off the open here. Not to be super aggressive, but I like it.
Say but again.
But I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How do we trade the news today? What's the game plan? Yeah, let's go over it. So, finally, dude, Apple's finally going. Yes, my leaps literally exploded by like 20% yesterday. I was like, oh,
Glory.
thank you, God. Glorious. So good morning. Good morning. We do have Powell, I guess, speaking right now, apparently. So that's going to kind of rile things up. We also have data at 10 a.m. I think we have jobs data, JOLTS. Let's see, JOLTS, yeah, jobs opening, ISM manufacturing, PMI. So we got a good amount of data. We got it could be a decently active day. I think today could be a decently active day. We're off the open. What I'm watching is basically how we kind of treat prior day low. And we did kind of sweep it overnight. I had this 5-minute hammer right here that was kind of sweeping prior day low. So that looks decent. I feel like it's something to test it in New York. But basically, if we can come up here into VWAP and then come down to prior day low and then lose prior day low, that would be a nice little short setup. Again, I'm not trying just to short this off the open. But if we come up into VWAP and I have good risk reward and I can risk like look, if we stab into 40s and I can risk up to like 50s here, 52s, risk like 12 points. I want to try that. So let's see. But let's see. So kind of letting price play out here for a sec. Just let it do its thing. If we can't get up the VWAP, I'm not going to take it. I'm going to wait to prior day low, see how that's tested, see what happens there. We do have ES coming into VWAP right now, pushing. We got YM pushing. We got RTY with a nice hammer. I'm not going to be on Lawrence's bad side today.
I want you to make the most money that you can.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we're longing everything. I'm just kidding. Good morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Good morning, Brian, Oscar. Let's see. We got Rusty, Charles, Steve, Adrian, Dominic. So you'll enter news even before red 10 a.m. Yeah,
I don't give a fuck. I will enter.
I will enter right now. I will enter right now. It really just depends. Like, depends on the setup. Because, like, the thing with news is, yeah, there is more risk, quote unquote, going into it. But if I'm in the driver's seat before, I have one of two decisions. It's like I either cover some right before the news or I risk it for the biscuit and I'd probably hit like a big fat winner. And that's just the decision you have to make. But it all depends on the setup going into it. So it's like, I'm not just going to randomly guess going into the news. But like I said here, if we can come into VWAP here and reject and get that reject I'm looking for, and I can take a short around here and attempt it, I'm going to try it. If this short can't work, then that's gonna be my one attempt here, like towards the open. That's it. And then I'm gonna wait till closer to news. That's my plan. So
I'm going to, that is like one of my life proverbs. Risk it for the biscuit.
Risk it for the biscuit. No risk, no Rari.
No risk, no Rari.
No risk, no Rari.
So tell me why Blue Sky, they have a sim to fund it package now, but I wouldn't do it. That shit is expensive as fuck.
Oh, straight to funded.
Yeah, it's like with my code you get 30% off.
But yeah, with your code it's like, not. So
we gotta
make that banner.
Yeah, I do have to make that banner.
Yeah. What's good, chat? Good morning, Drew. Good morning. Good morning, guys. We're kind of just chilling right now, per usual. Like I said, I'm waiting for either VWAP to be tested or prior day low. Kind of see what we're doing around there. It is, for me, it's only 6:34. You guys don't forget, I'm a West Coast man, and it's early, so I got plenty of time. I'm a classic man. I was wondering why my other charts don't look aligned, and I'm on SPY over here, not QQQ.
Is the straight to fund it with daily payouts on Blue Sky? I don't believe so, Brian. I think only
That's a good
after you
question.
finish the I think only after you finish the well, if you do the challenges, like the normal static or premium challenges, you could get daily funded with daily payouts. I
You know
think
what,
for
Lawrence?
Blue Sky, you got to do 10 days.
You as a affiliate for them, you should know. You need to research that.
No, I read it this morning. I read it this
Okay,
morning.
there you
They
go.
said,
There you
but
go.
they wasn't too clear. Like they said 10 days, and then
Yeah.
what was the consistency rule? I think the consistency rule was like 20% or 20,
Yep.
something like that.
Pretty standard.
Yeah, it's pretty standard. But the good part about Blue Sky is like, bro, like Blue Sky is actually like one of the closest you can get to actually having a live funded account, bro. Like
That's pretty dope.
it's like daily payouts, no consistency rule. You got 100% access to the entire account. So if I only have
Mhm.
3,000 in it, I can close the account and take the whole 3,000 at any given time. Every time you pass and they push you over to a brokerage account, they message you and say, "Hey, as we're transitioning to you, do you want me to go ahead and send you a payout, the initial payout?" So once you pass your eval, they ask you, do you want a percentage of your payout now as they're making your brokerage account? Like that's insane.
That's pretty dope. That's really dope that they do that. Actually, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in here. If anybody wanna try out Blue Sky, my code is LTI30, Lawrence the Investor, LTI30, and put it in the chat, and you get 30% off.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. God, I would love to see Apple finally just break 208 and just go.
Yeah, it's been
Love it.
consolidating for a while. It should run.
Well, it finally got some news, dude, which it needed. It was just like dying and doing nothing for so long. But it finally got some news yesterday, which is good. And then just it went. So I'm like, it popped. Dude, Apple popped like $7 yesterday, which is crazy.
Damn. That's pretty good.
Okay, Will woke up to $400,000, $4,000. Must have left the train on overnight. Beautiful. Lawrence, you know, we got a bunch of Blue Skies questions. Lawrence, you know if the straight to funded has the same consistency rules as other firms?
Yes, it definitely has. And I'm going
That.
to tell you guys right now, because it definitely do have a consistency rule. I believe it's 20%, but I'll tell you.
Yeah, throw your link in the chat. Check out the bluest of the skies. RTY looking nice. Looking nice. Not against it. Not against it. This Apple better just fucking go, dude. I want to see just everyone be like, hey, Apple's on a 17-day green streak.
Right.
I want one of those. Like, you know when you're eyeing something and then like all of a sudden you're like, oh, like you look away at it and then you look later and you're like, this stock's up like 80% since I looked at it like literally a few weeks ago. I want one of those, but while I'm in leaps. Can I get that, please?
Yeah, no.
That'd be so nice.
I've never experienced that personally. Okay, so for Blue Sky, the direct to funded, right? This is direct to funded. No monthly fee, no multi-step challenge, of course. Here's how it works. $3,500 starting balance. For static, you get 2,500 max drawdown, $2,000 daily loss limit, 3 red days allowed every 10 days. That's the part that I don't really understand. What does that mean,
Ooh,
Tanner? What does
3
that
red.
mean? Does that
Wait,
mean
wait,
I can't have more
read
than
it again. Read it
3
again.
red days allowed every 10? 3 red days allowed every 10.
Every 10.
Yeah. It says payouts only on profit above 3,500.
I don't
50-50
know.
split the
That's
first 30 days,
interesting.
then 80-20.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and only trade of 8. Yeah, I wouldn't advise this. I
That's
wouldn't do that.
only trade of 8 also. I don't know why firms do that. That's like a tick trader finally put me on live and they're like, literally I had Project X and they're like, oh, you have to use our stage 5 broker. I'm like, what the fuck is that? And they're like,
What is a stage 5,
I don't
bro?
know,
What?
dude. They're a stage 5
Stage
clinger.
5?
That's what they want. Yeah, they want the stage 5 clinger broker.
Oh my
And
goodness.
then I was like, wait, I was like, I want Project X. That's what I used. Like, well, you could use Trade of 8 if you want. I'm like, all right, if I gotta settle for Trade of 8, I guess. Like, I'd
Trader
rather
bait
get.
is
I'm like,
too.
I
It's
mean,
nothing wrong with trader bait.
I'd at least rather use a broker I'm used to than learn a new one to go live. I'm like, I don't want to do that shit, bro. All right, we're coming up here into VWAP. I am gonna try this short if we can get it.
Nice.
I,
Real trader vibes is blue sky intraday or end of day drawdown. It's end of day drawdown. So if you do the challenge, bro, I do 100K, $3,500. No, wait, sorry, 100K. I think it's $3,000 drawdown. You got to make $6,000, and then you go to a phase two, which you have to make $3,500. But they take that $3,500, and that's your starting out for your brokerage account. So it's technically not really a phase two because you get the whole thing.
mm-hmm.
So yeah, you get the whole thing, and it's end of day drawdown. No consistency rule. After you get funded, you got to get funded first, and then daily payouts, and you can take out as much as you want.
Yep.
And does Blue Sky offer Project X? Yes, it does. That's
what
the
we
beauty.
love. That's what we love.
It sounds like a pretty good prop firm.
Yeah,
I think that.
I think it's all. Yeah, it sounds solid. Once we get the trade copier going, I'm definitely interested in checking it out. I want to get this pop here because I think this will be a good short. Please just pop us into VWAP here so I can make my risk nice and low. Let's see. Let's get a little popper and skis. I need a signal bar in a lower time frame.
I agree, Aaron. Project X is the best. Damn, we're just really going sideways.
Dude, I know. They just want
this is a barcode.
They want people to burn. Yes, rejecting VWAP right here. Pretty nice. Damn it. Am I going to miss this? If I do, I do. It's okay. I'm being patient. I am one with the patience. If this happens to not come up here and just breaks this and goes, then that's that. I'm just gonna wait longer because I'm looking for specific stuff. Replay yesterday. Yep, this is how they drive you insane. They're like, oh, let's use recency bias best we can, and then out of nowhere,
I hope it goes long.
I think this is gonna sweep here, and I think we need to retest prior day low.
Steve, replay of yesterday. I know, right? EQ, good morning, bro. Chachos. What's good, bro?
What's good? What's going on? We're chilling right now, just waiting. YM is going. YM new high a day. Don't say I told you so. Don't say I told you so. Okay, are we gonna barely sweep this and then go up to VWAP and then fail? We can do that. That's fine.
Will said London lows look like a nice target. We could sweep London lows. We could sweep and then come back up, or we could just sell off completely.
Or we pin into here and then go higher. We need to retest prior day low, dude. Like we have to. Just sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting.
Sitting and waiting, waiting and sitting.
Waiting and sitting, sitting and waiting.
Yeah, I'm not going to make the same mistakes as yesterday.
Yeah. Slow her down. Damn, Tesla got fucking analed. No lube.
Jeez, let me see.
It's,
oh, wow. Oh,
yeah,
my goodness.
down 6%.
$20. 6%. Jeez.
What if I want to stand and wait? That's good. You put your desk in sport mode. That's a great thing to do. All right, we're coming into prior day low here. Let's kind of see what's going on.
I kind of want to, damn, bro. My money's already tied up in another options play. I would go long on Tesla for like a couple months, like 6 months.
I just loaded up $5,000 in Thinkorswim, and I'm gonna look for some swings here going into the end of the year.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I might do some like I might do some Google leaps or some like longer dated Google calls. I like the Google chart a lot. Right now I got Apple leaps open and I still got that UNH play. It's just taking forever, dude.
Yeah, that shit might take a while.
That shit's taking forever. I did buy some time on it though. See, this part's hard right here, guys, where like I want to see VWAP tested or I want to see prior day low tested. Where are we yet? We are not, we haven't tested either of those technically. So I'm like, I'm just waiting. I want to see my levels tested. I want to see them tested. And I will be patient for them to be tested.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see.
Now you're talking my language, KJ. MSTR chart looks like coin before it jumped.
Yo, did you see that video
Yeah.
that Vincent put out?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, the one that you sent me.
yeah. Should I cop some MSTR leaps? Maybe I'll cop some of those.
I think
Honestly,
that you should, bro.
I might cop some.
You already know I'm all in, bro. I got 20. I have $20,000 in MSTR.
I know you do. You have shares though, right?
20,000. Huh?
You have shares, right?
Yeah, I have shares.
Yeah. Well, what if I get $20,000 of leaps, bro? What are you gonna say to
Bro,
that?
man, you would make so much fucking money because MSTR is bro, the vol on that shit is insane, bro. That thing can pump.
Once it gets going,
Like last month alone, it went up 33%. That thing can pump, bro.
yeah. This looks like a decent long so far, structurally speaking. I'm not gonna lie. Still waiting. I want to see prior day low tested, but like you have the impulse candle to break yesterday's low, right? Reclaim right away, and now you're getting the retest lower into it. I guarantee if you go to some 15-minute, there's going to be some.
That's pretty bullish.
Some sort of.
That's pretty bullish.
Yeah, it's pretty bullish so far. This is holding how it should.
KJ, what's your feel? If you're talking about my MSTR, like what's my average price? I guess.
Yeah, probably.
It's $320. $320.
What are we at right now on it?
I think almost we should be at 400 right now. We was at 407 yesterday at highs. We're at 388.
Okay. Ooh, UNH is finally at 315. Still waiting, guys. I know it's kind of slow open, but kind of waiting to see what happens here. Yo, this UNH is finally moving a little bit, bro. Jesus.
Yeah. That should take a while.
We're getting some volume too into 315 here. Nice.
I was actually looking at like historical data for UNH, all the dips and how long it takes. It normally takes about 6 months, I think, to a year.
Well, I got 2 more months on my calls, so it better be faster than that. It better be faster than that. As you can see, we're still sitting. No trades yet. No trades yet. No trades. YM's the only thing that had the nice move off the open. RTY had a pretty decent little spring play as well. But we are just waiting and waiting and waiting. Chilling and waiting.
Chilling and waiting. It's not much going on, man. Not much going on.
Okay.
We waiting? Oh, wait. There's news in 12 minutes, right? Or like
yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. It's probably waiting on news and data to really get going here. Let's see. Apple pushing. No, there's some spike-roonies. We're getting a little bit of movement here. Get a little something. Know what I'm saying? A little something. It's hard because I wanted to short VWAP, and now with this little pin down here, it's not as doesn't look as sexy. And we're pushing. We are pushing.
Yeah, we're cooking.
Pushing on ES at least. NQ is the only thing actually not moving, really. It's not really, maybe it's not the one today. But everything else is so far gone. There's Apple alerts going off on Apple. Yeah, this is a little tricky. A little bit tricky here. Let's see. Can Apple go to 210 today? That'd be nice. That'd be real nice.
That would be dope.
Okay, we are coming into VWAP here. I don't know if I want to try this short though. I don't like this because this is like a bullish pattern.
Wait for a reaction once it's a VWAP.
Yeah, you're right.
Just wait for a little reaction. Yeah, I'll respond.
Comes up into here, even if it sweeps here like into 50s and then fails, that'd be kind of nice. The problem is VWAP's right above here. Needs some sort of signal bar. Let's see. See, that's pretty bullish, bro. It's hard. It's hard for me to short that.
Yeah, especially if it closes above it.
Yeah. But I still feel like we need to retest prior day low. We're just so close. All right, let's see here. We get something. Do we get something to work with? Let's go to 30 second. Let's go to our old friend 30-second chart.
That shit's pumping on a 30-second chart.
I know. I'm like, oh fuck, it looks worse.
That shit is pumping.
Let's see. Let's get one more little push here. I need some sort of signal.
Give me something.
Give me something to work with, dude.
Anything.
Something to work with. One more push and then fail.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe here. Let's see.
That's just
It's just so gone.
Yeah, it's not yet.
Oh yeah.
This is Tanner's sniper eyes right now.
Yeah, you can see me trying to look for it.
This is his sniper eyes. Boom.
Trying it. Let's see. Stop it. I'm gonna do stop at 51, $200. So I like this on the 5-minute. Yeah, stop up here. I like that 51. Might be a little too early, but let's see. Let's see. It's right into VWAP here. See if we can get it. I'd probably aim for the sweep of this low, to be honest, 750s. I'm content with this attempt. I'm content with it. Ooh, I kind of really like. Look at it now. It's looking even better.
Yeah, that looks good.
Give us a bearish engulfing here on the 2-minute. That'd be nice.
Jesus, that candle is sitting beautifully on VWAP's lap on that 2-minute.
I know.
That's like that's how you want your girl to sit on your lap, just like that.
That's but no, you zoom out. It's actually rejecting it here because VWAP's actually.
What the hell just happened?
It happens on Project X. You need to like scroll out, and that's like basically it just.
That's janky as fuck.
Yeah,
that's jank as shit, bro.
Yeah,
that was the most bullish sign I ever seen.
I know. Right? Plot twist. Got him.
Oh my gosh.
Got him.
Jeez. That was horrible. I'm not gonna lie. That was the most bullish sign ever. You scroll out, come back in.
Yeah.
It's bearish as fuck.
Yeah.
The okie doke.
Okie doke. I don't wanna. This is still pretty bullish. I'm definitely not gonna add to this. It's like this is what fucked me right here for the long or the short setup. Like this is really just bullish. That's what I'm struggling with. Let's see.
I want to go long for this for NQ, but I'm gonna wait a second.
Yeah, I mean we got data 5 minutes. See what happens. Everything else is just so strong. That's why it's really hard to short this. But again, we're just coming into VWAP. Just trading my strategy. I'm just trading the strategy. That's all I'm doing.
It looks like it's going to reclaim that wick.
Kind of wants to. Still pretty strong. Pretty strong still. Can we get the reject here? That's the question. That's the question. We got chat. That's because it acts as anchored VWAP, so you got to zoom out to the anchor to where it needs to be. Yeah. So I'm in 3 calls, adding 2 more if we can golf short. Okay. Like that. Like that. Like that. Now it's looking better. Look at this 5 minutes looking a little bit better. There we go. We got a pin bar, at least something to work with. Some sort of bearish sign. Does it follow through is the question. Does it follow through is
think
the
you
question.
going back into the range. You might be good.
I might add. I might add here. I might add. Should I add? I don't know if I'm gonna add. I'm kind of scared to add on this one. I'm just like, it just not.
I would say if you're going to add, move your stop down.
Order filled.
I wasn't going to say
I only
that.
added 2. I only added 2. I only added 2. I only added 2. I will move it down a little bit, just a tad bit, just a teeny bit,
just a wee, just a wee.
Just a wee bit. This shit's so bullish. It's a really hard short, to be honest. Need some follow through to the downside here, Mr. Bears. I wanted to add because I want to take it off into the sweep of this if we can get it. Like I want to go for prior day low, which is like halfway through this hammer right here. That's what I want. That's what I would like. It's just fucking doing this. It's just strong. It's just doing the buying stuff.
It is doing a lot of this buying stuff.
Doing a lot of the buying stuff. It is. I'm in long, aiming for your stops. That's fair. Good luck, AT.
Fuck that.
Good luck.
Bad luck.
Nah, whatever. I don't care. I'm
trying to stop my bro out. I hope he stops your ass out.
Yeah, I hope I stop your ass out, bro, right now.
I hope he stops your ass out.
Hope you get stopped,
good luck
bro.
shit, Tanner. What is that?
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Awesome. Good luck. Fuck that. Fuck that. If you are the opposition, fuck you. Until the trade is over. Until the trade is over. It's fuck you.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get some into here. Put the buy down there. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it.
I'm joking, AT. I'm joking, bro.
It's all love. We're just fucking with you. We're just fucking with you. This is what I'm talking about, my dude Kyle. New week opening gap is below. Yeah, let's go run that gap. That's what we want.
Let's fill that gap.
That's what we want, dude.
We want to fill it.
We want to fill it.
We want to fill those gaps, every last one of those gaps.
Mm-hmm.
Kevin said, I died when Lawrence said I like my ribeye medium to Austin. Because I bet he might win that one, honestly. Maybe.
I added one more little one. Sitting on VWAP here on QQQ VWAP. I need some momentum right now is what I need.
This looks good for you.
I need momentum though. We're really sitting on QQQ VWAP. Honestly, now I'm probably gonna move my stop though. I'm gonna move it to here. Sure. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten it up.
What's your PT on your limit buy?
I'm scaling out half right into these lows, which is prior day low.
Oh.
And then I want to go for 720s. I think that was the area I was watching. Ugh. Yeah, basically like kind of down into the new week, like around here. Yep, 730s ish. Mm-hmm. Can we get some more momentum here, ladies and gentlemen? Can we get it? Can we get it? So far, nice rejection of VWAP, actually. Pretty decent. Strategy says hold it. And I'm glad I moved my stop, because if it does take me out, I'll just be like, yeah, okay. Whatever. It is what it is type deal. But again, right into QQQ VWAP, just bouncing. This right here, this spring is what I don't like. We really need momentum back to the downside here to kind of carry us. I need some aggression. We have we have data in 20 seconds.
Yeah, Rusty said PMI coming.
I know. Please be something negative.
Yeah. Please be
Please be
something
something
negative.
negative. Let's go. Oh, we froze.
Yeah. Oh
Oh
The
shit.
markets are open.
Oh shit. Oh
Ooh.
shit. Oh
Ooh.
shit. Oh shit.
Ooh.
Dude,
Oh,
Project X
shit.
always does that shit, bro. Fucking freaks out when data comes in.
It should look different from mine, bro. Like, mine doesn't look that
Project
bullish.
X always freaks out, dude. I swear. It's fucking annoying.
Yeah,
Now it's gonna take me out, dude. This is whack. Yeah, there's no way. This thing's gonna be smoked. Maybe not. Let's
I don't
see.
like these long wicks like that.
I'm glad I moved my stop. So I lose $200 right here. I'm not gonna be bummed on it.
Yeah.
Come on, you need to test prior day low. You gotta come test prior day low. Come test it.
You might be good, bro.
Come test it. Come test it. Come test it. Come test it. Come test it.
Yeah, you might be good.
Boom. I don't know. Could just zap you. Yeah, it could. Well, it didn't.
Okay.
I guess so. Come on, die a little bit more. They're just buying up VWAP on Qs right now.
Brian said he's long on ES 620, 62.43 targeting yesterday's high. Stop loss at 62.44s.
Yeah, they're starting to buy this a bit. Probably gonna take me out. I've accepted it. I have
Wait a
accepted
second.
it, my friends. I know I am. Let's go to 5-minute bar.
I don't like when we have these little dojis with these long wicks through the fucking
I know.
news. That shit is just, it kind of
This isn't even how the chart looks, dude. The chart, it just like freaked out with data.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. That's not how it looks.
Yeah, it's not how it looks. Can we get a sinker here? It's kind of nice that it didn't take out this high though.
Yeah, I think you might. I think you're pretty much good. You're still in the driver's seat for right now.
We're sitting on VWAP. I'm just kind of waiting now. Give me something. Need a rip stick. No, I need a death stick, dude.
Dipstick.
I need a dipstick. I need something to the downside, bro. I need something to the downside. So can we lose 800 here? So if we lose 800, I think we should get prior day low.
I don't know why your charts look like that. Wait a minute.
I know. It's like it's just that it was freaking out. It doesn't even look like this. Let's go to 30-second. Pure anxiety. Back to 3-minute. Just give me the limit buy down here, bro. Give me the cover. Give me the cover. They're buying up 800. Can we lose 800? Can we lose 800? Ladies and gents, Apple's going to 210. I like that. That's on its own. That's its own beast. Got nothing to do with the market itself.
Why is you should be very close to 790. Okay.
Dude, it just Project X just freaked out with the fucking chart. Can we get some more weakness here? They're gonna buy up 800.
No opportunity for myself.
I'm being patient. Just trusting the VWAP short here. Trusting the VWAP short here. Kind of.
Anybody else in a trade? Because me personally, I don't see anything for myself. I wonder if anybody else is in a trade. Y'all in a trade? Let us know in the chat. So I don't really see anything.
Yeah, it's still
too much.
It's a tough ass spot, dude. This might take me out. I might even move my stop just to the top of this wick. To be honest. No, I'm gonna leave it where it is. It's only $200. Sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting. This damn 800, dude. This damn 800.
Okay, so we got Alex. He's still sitting on hands. Adrian took the VWAP short, but out now. Need London low. Will need London low or high to be touched, man. I feel that. I know. I feel you on that one, Will. Waiting for NQ to touch 747s. We're 747s. That's London. So you wait for
Low.
London to get swept too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Johnny long ES slightly after market open at 62.38. Hit first PT, waiting for second. Understood. And then Chandra, he's still on cash. I understand. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
glad we're all on the same page here. I thought I was probably just the only one not just sitting on my hands here.
I'm moving the stop, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like this. I feel like it's gonna reclaim this whole wick here. This fucking looks awful. This is too much like. Actually, you know what? No, I'm leaving it right here. I'm leaving it right at the high.
Oh no. Okay. I mean, there's a reason why you moved it, bro. I think you should lean into why you feel that way. There's a reason why you moved it.
Whatever,
You
it's
normally
100.
don't.
It's only $187. I'm okay
Yeah.
with it.
Yeah. No.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. It's definitely looking more bullish. They would have to. They need to reject this here. There's 550s on NQ or on QQQ. If we can get this again, just a test of prior day low. It's not out of the question. It's not out of the question. It's not out of the question. Back in the VWAP here.
Short.
It's just still this tough area, dude. It's this fucking small little range. Same like bullshit as yesterday in NQ. Do we get some follow through to the downside for once? That's the question. What's VIX doing? VIX is red. It's not good. We're sitting patient. We're sitting tight, ladies and gents. Alex is short.
Yeah, I'm thinking shorts too, but I'm gonna wait a second. I'm still not clear.
Yeah, I would just be patient in this area. It's just fucking hard, dude.
I'm still not clear on this.
I'm just waiting. Sitting and waiting.
Also, everybody, we can also get to a point where not trading is an option as well. That is also an option. Not trading is an option.
It is.
Coming back tomorrow is an option.
I need this to get rejected right here. Price is just so just when price struggles to go lower like this, just like it's tough. It's tough to be short. To be honest, I'm just trusting my strategy. And just that's all I'm trying to do.
The shorts really don't look bad.
See, I think the shorts. I think the shorts look awful because I just hate.
Hold on real quick.
High here or high or low. Just gotta wait it out. Trading with you guys has made me better. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Fuck yeah. Love to see that. Love to hear that. That makes me happy. Now, if we can lose 800, I'll be happier. Can we lose 800? 800. I know you want to test prior day low, bro. I know you do. I know it. I get it. I totally get it. You want to. It totally makes sense. You want to test prior day low.
Bro said, whoa, Lawrence, what are you talking about? Yeah, I know, right? No trading. What? No trading?
No trading? Nothing? Nothing at all? Oh, are we going to get something here? Or are we going to get teased, McGee'sed?
What the fuck?
Okay, we're trying to lose 800 here. Not bad. up $420. Blaze it. Let's see.
That's crazy.
I just want prior day low, bro. I'm not asking for a lot. 20 points off. Come on. Can you get there?
Too short.
Push. Give us push. Give us some volume, pushing harder. There we go. A little bit more. Come on. Keep it going. No.
Short.
Keep it going. This 7088s. We got to get through this too. This was prior all-time highs. Tough spot. Tough spot here. Come on. Keep it pushing lower. So close, man. So close. I will say now, I'm going to go to break even. I'm going to break even. I'm going to BE on this, ladies and gents. We're going to BE. Prior all-time high balance, dude. Fucking A. Fucking A. I know you want prior day low. Come on. Give us the fucking sink.
Give us the dipstick.
Give us the dipstick, dude. It's just so this is literally prior all-time highs right here. That's what fucking sucks. That's what sucks. That's what sucks. Come on, dude. Don't fucking bounce here. Everything looks bullish to me. I don't see this falling through. I think I'm gonna get cooked. This is my long setup right here. Die. Please die. Please die. Just for once, can you die? Oh my god, man. 15-minute looks great. Yeah, until this engulfs. Then it looks bullish. These fucking guys, dude.
Yeah. I'm about to get cooked here.
I knew this all-time high was gonna get bought, bro. Right here. I should have fucking covered some here. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. So annoying, bro. Okay. Wow. This is gonna cook me. It's done. I can tell. It's fucking so done. Right into prior all-time high, 788, the same level as watching yesterday. Everything else is making new highs. This thing is so done. This thing is so done. Yeah, it's gonna take me down. Motherfucker, dude. It was a good attempt. It was a really good attempt, chat.
This shit was
tough. Really good. That was a really good attempt. It was a really good attempt.
Order filled.
Okay, fuck you, market. Piece of shit, dude.
That was a good attempt, though.
Oh, it's so annoying. I'm frustrated. I'm not gonna lie. Fucking annoying, dude.
Let's
right
see.
in the prior all-time highs, holds, goes. Now I got nothing. Like now I got fucking nothing to work with. Hate this range. Hate this range.
Yeah, this was tough. These past 2 days have been oof.
Yeah.
Oof.
The news is fucking bearish too. Yeah, dude, it's whack, bro. I'm like, these guys are insane. This damn 788, bro. I knew that shit would fucking buy. I should have covered some there. Okay. I need to take a second and just recoup the mental I can tell I'm frustrated. I can tell I want to fucking full port longs right now.
Straight minis.
I literally can feel it, dude. I just feel my frustration.
Why don't you lock out for today? I mean, you're at break even. And then we just come back tomorrow. Like, you're already pissed. You just acknowledged it.
No, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. What the fuck is that, bro? Little spikeroonie. Okay. Just wait. We shit the bed in a minute. If we did, if we come back into VWAP potentially, this is just so hard to short now, dude. The 7, all this area holding, boom, boom, boom. Like that is just really hard for me to short now. There's one decent attempt at VWAP, and then ES is just rip sticking now. RTY going, we got YM going, everything says long. I don't have an entry. This would be chasing. So I'm literally just gonna
Yeah.
This is why streaming's good though, because I'm just sitting here frustrated, and I'm like, if I was by myself right now, I'd probably be like, "Fuck you, market."
Jeez, ES is going crazy.
I know, dude.
Is you still in that long, Brian? Is Brian still in that long?
Yes, now above 6250. I feel like I'm in the driver's seat.
Yeah, he's in the driver's seat.
Yeah, it looks good. 6257. Air out the gun. Oh, UNH hitting UNH making some movement. Let's go. My alerts just went off. Sick. Finally, this thing's getting some volume, dude. Getting some movement here. How's the swinging count doing? Swinging count is up 1,300 today. We like that. We like that.
We love that.
We love that. We absolutely love that. UNH getting some fucking movement now. That's sick. Tanner, thank you for leading by example. You're welcome. You see my frustration of being just like, "Urgh!" Super annoyed. Super annoyed.
Yeah.
But I can tell, like, this is how I get fucking wrecked, dude. I just don't have a setup here, number one. And then number two, it's like, just know myself, dude. I know myself. I think what makes this a little bit tougher is that right here on 788, I was up like I was up like 600 here, dude. Like, fuck, I didn't lock any of that. That's kind of frustrating.
Yeah, hindsight is a motherfucker.
Yeah, hindsight is a motherfucker. That's right. Everything's pointing that this is going up, though, including the charts. And here, if we can come back into VWAP here, though, I'm not against trying this one more time. If we can come back into if we can lose this wick, this 24, and like put my stop here at 46, 20-point stop, not against that. Ooh, I kind of like this. Let's see. I want to wait for this candle to close though. It's 5 minutes. Ooh. I'm gonna wait for it to close. I'm gonna be disciplined. Wait for it to close. Damn, now looks good. Fuck.
Be careful. Be disciplined.
I know.
Wait for it to close.
Fuck. God, this looks good now, dude. Oh, I want to take this. I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Fuck you guys.
Damn. That is a change of character right there.
I need to close. I need to close and continue. Oh, actually, I like this a lot if this can go. If this can get some momentum to the downside, I'm going to add to this.
That'd be the sweep.
Oh, you motherfucker. I need this to die. Die right here. No. Okay. Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. A little something. A little something. Can I add to this? I'm adding.
Order filled.
Risking $400. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get it now. Now we're going all the way down. Let's sink it. Come on.
I think.
This is it. This is it. Give me the death stick. Back into the range. Pin bar at VWAP. Look at this. Look at this pin bar. 5-minute pin bar at VWAP. This is decent. Swept liquidity. Pinned it. If this can come down, I think this can go all the way to London lows. If it can come down. Getting some momentum here a little bit. I'm going for the full sweep now. That's the thing though. I won it all. I won it all.
I want everything.
Keep dying. Keep dying. Volume pick up.
Here we go.
Downside.
Come on.
Give us a little bit more going.
It should just rip straight to like. I hope it just like picks up. Like I hope.
I hope it's just like this. I hope
this.
it's just death dies right here, dude. I want to.
He's going.
I want to see a Red Bull cliff dive straight into London lows. That's what I want now. That's what I want.
There it is.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Is.
Come
there
on. Let's go. Let's go. Give me some more. I'm adding 2 more.
Order filled.
Aggression.
Oh, that's right.
Let's go. I'm covering some into the lows here. Limit by 4.
How many you got on? 10?
I got 10. Cover me in the lows. Come on. Let's go. Momentum. 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 Momentum, baby. Give me it. Give me the momentum. Give me it. Let's fucking go, dude. Come on. Cover me here. We just swept this low. We got to test prior day low now. Come on. This should be an easy one. Don't do some bullshit where we barely sweep this and bounce. We got prior day low right below. Super close. Super duper close. Oh my god, dude. These fucking guys with the bounces.
You're
dude,
good.
I swear.
You're good. You're good. It's going to reclaim. It's going to reclaim. I got to pick up some more sellers.
Pick them up, dude. Pick them up, dude, and drop them off. One more push down, dude. I'm so close. Look how edged I was. So edged. Give me it.
Where's your second PT?
730s.
Oh, you're going for it.
Yeah, I want the whole sweep, dude. I want this sweep down here. 750s, and we should push into 730s if we get it. Come on. A little bit more.
Nasty work.
Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. She going lower. She going lower.
Oh my god.
Dude, these fucking guys here, bro. I'm like, oh my god, I hate this. I hate this.
Edgelord is nasty work.
Dude, Edgelord is the nastiest work, bro.
It is.
Give me follow through for once. Don't cuck me.
You're good, bro.
Dude, I don't know if I'm good. I hate these type of bars. I'm gonna let it.
Do you not usually trail? No, he does not trail, bro. He goes for it.
No, I'm going for it. What am I supposed to trail? There's nothing to trail. It's too big of a candle to trail here.
Yeah, there is nothing to trail there.
I want prior day low. I want prior day low. It makes sense. You got to at least give me one more little blip. And I'll be happy if I cover at least half.
And also, like,
I'm gonna cover one here. Here you go.
Order
Just to make the market happy and give me $50.
$50. $52. Yeah, you're good. She's gonna go lower.
Dude, I don't know, man. It's sitting right at support, bro. It's sitting right on this prior all-time high level. The 788 is
She's
just
gonna
like
reclaim. I think she'll reclaim that wick.
Go. Fucking die, dude.
Mm-hmm.
It would make the most sense, dude, because we had like the initial hold, you had the one more manipulation up here, you have the nice pin bar at VWAP. It makes sense. This is just my hardest part is like holding plays fully follow through like this, because especially in this bullish market, I'm like anything bearish just doesn't follow through. So that's the only reason why, like, if this was long, I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm sitting in this, I'm cruising, I'm kicking it. But the fact that this is like a short setup in this super strong market, I think that's the hardest part for me with this shit. Give me it right here, please. Super close. Oh my God, they're toying with me, bro. Give me it. Come on.
You're good,
Cover.
bro.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go. Okay, now let's get some momentum. Let's get some sprinter. She's a runner. She's a track star type shit into the depths of into the depths of the depths. Let's go, baby. I want 700s, bro. Let's go to the hourly. 30 minutes. I will move this now, though. Not to be greedy. It's stupid. There's a cover something.
She's about to cook.
About to cook. Yeah, I want this.
She's
Little,
going to 750s.
I want 728s, bro. That's what I
Let
want.
her cook.
I want 728s. I want the low of this bar. 729.75. No, I don't want to get edged again. I'm going to do 730 32s. No, 731s. Let's see if we can get it. Pretty nice candle here. Can we should sweep these lows. We're right there. Look how close we are. Super close. On some volume, some momentum. Give us some more momentum. Give us the push. Give us the push. Give us the push. How we doing, chat? Team Tanner pom-poms come out.
Pom-poms come out.
The pom-poms come out. Sweep the lows here. Sweep these lows. Sweep London lows and give us some more movement here. This is actually a really nice setup because we got this extra sweep. This right here. This was actually really nice. This should actually die. It should fully die all the way down to like 700 or something. Yep, we're confident. Driver's seat. Now the question is, how do I trail this? That is the question. How do I want to trail it? Because now we just swept this. What if they do pull some trickery, some fuckery? I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be
nice.
annoyed.
Will got 1500. Let's go, Will.
Let's go,
Good
dude.
shit, bro.
Let's fucking go. Good shit, bro.
I know that's. Let me get some W's in the chat for Will, bro.
Yeah,
1500 is
bro.
crazy.
Good shit. That's awesome.
Good shit, bro.
Great play.
I'll put a W in the chat for Will.
There you go. I'm gonna cover a little bit here, not to be greedy, honestly.
Order filled.
Covered some more. I'm up 800 on the day.
Beautiful.
I will take that. Let's see if we can get the last fill, though, down into 731s. Let's see. Go to break even on the trail. Wow, it's right at 8. Look at this. This is crazy. My average is right at 22,800 on this trail. I'm over it. I'm all out.
Order filled.
Fucking over it. I don't care. It might end up going. I don't care. You guys just let's fucking go. I don't care. Let's fucking go. $920. Like, let's fucking go. You guys just saw me literally God, I just want to go. Oh, that's right. That's fucking right. W's in the
Good
chat.
shit, bro. W's in the chat for Tanner, bro.
Oh God, dude, this is
I know that's right.
testosterone is flowing right now, dude. We probably will go to my target, but especially after that first break even. Oh God. I'm stoked you guys could watch me though get frustrated, and I think that's a really important to showcase. Like I still almost 6 years in, I still get frustrated as fuck, right? I still like get annoyed, like, oh, I should have done this, should have done that. The market's gonna do what it wants. It's just about how you can respond and react to it. Like that's it. So
Good shit, bro. I
thank
pretty much
you.
hit break even on the day. I'm only
Did
at
you?
$82 for the day. Yeah, because I took that short, and then as soon as I saw that shit pumping, I just front run
Yeah.
I went to broke even, and then I front ran my entry
Yeah.
point, and I just got like a small little $82 win. After that, I'm good, bro. This is not an environment I thrive in.
Yeah, that was a tough one, dude. That got my blood boiling for a sec. Give me some lockout boys in the chat. Give me some locks. Please give me some locks in the chat. Custom 6:30 a.m. No Asia fuckery for this individual right here. This for I think this is gonna
the Asia fuckery is hard, bro.
it is none of that shit. Let's lock me out. Boom, locked in, baby. All 3 accounts. Locks in the chat. Tanner loves the hard markets.
He do, bro. That guy loves a challenge.
Tuned in every single stream, and that was the worst. I don't know if you're talking shit or that was just like worst action, like of what happened. So, but regardless, thanks for tuning in every stream.
Right.
I think it was for love. Stock market scientist Brian, Alex, let's go. Let's go. Lock it W's. That retry was totally worth it. Yeah, let's go. It was. I'm glad I sent it when I did. And like I think this is market loves to manipulate, right? Initial rejection of VWAP, good. Came down, held that previous all-time high level. So it's like that's the cool thing about having levels on your chart. If you have levels that you kind of expect to bounce, you're not like caught off guard or surprised by them. So in this case, when this bounce, I was like, yeah, okay, for sure, whatever. Moved my stop to break even, luckily, so I managed it well. Then I saw this nice pin bar, and that's when you get this like one extra sweep, then momentum. That's why I was like, I have to get in here. I have to like follow this aggressively. Just ride it into London lows, easy target, easy money target. Out, done. 920. Take it. Oh,
It's my entry by a tick. A tick stopped you from entering, Rob?
now that your bears are out, this is where ES pumps, or at least I need it to. Yeah, I feel right. You do have a nice little ES is holding VWAP really well. It just everything else is pushing hard now. There could be a divergence. Don't forget that still happens. I know it's not like the most common thing, but you could have a divergence, Brian. Let's look at ES. Let's do a little TA on ES for you. Zoom out. See, holding this right here. If we lose this, I would say you're done. I don't know if you have a stop in there where your stop is, but this is pretty much the exit point. Wow, look at NQ now, just fucking going to target, going to town. Going to town.
I need a new thumbnail guy. If anybody knows anybody that does thumbnails,
I like your thumbnails. You don't like them?
no, I do like him, but bro,
Pricing?
he just not even the pricing. Like, I just never know when I'm going to get him. Like, I try to drop every day, and he takes like hours. Like, I'm talking about like one day it'll be 2 hours, another day it'll be like 8 hours.
Real
Like,
quick,
bro.
Brian, yeah, I would definitely trail under this wick, bro. I don't think it's worth it to hang on below this because NQ is dying now. If this picks up some steam, it might pick up a lot of steam and come sweep. So I definitely would put your I put your trail right here below 39.25s. Guarantee you the profit because I don't think this should break this if it is to stay bullish. So I don't think it's worth it to let it have an extra breathing room of, what'd you say? Let's see. Yeah, another 6 points. No way.
Oh shit. Do I have any? Oh shit. I don't have my calendar up. Do I have any calls today? I know I do. Today's Tuesday. Today's my busiest day.
Space Ghost. Not a fan of VWAP, but I'm not gonna lie, it's winning me over. May add this to the Confluence bag. Yeah, use it in Confluence, man. That's the best way to do it. It's like it doesn't have to be this guaranteed thing, but when you got some structure with it and some levels, it is a good it's a good tool. It's just a good tool.
Mhm.
Everything's a tool, right? Morning, Kings. Morning, Nikki.
You done
What's
missed
going
all the
on?
action, Nikki.
Missed all the action, bro. My fucking
Bro.
my blood pressure is up, my adrenaline's up.
Yeah.
Everything's
Where
up.
have you been?
Everything is up besides the NQ chart. Just going down. Brian, this looks decent. If this can reclaim here, looks you're a good driver's seat. I would say it's going to keep going. I did know I remember you had your target was 62.57. Pulled back to VWAP. The fact that you held on this long is pretty good though. Looking decent. Looking decent.
Are we recovering? Is it recovering?
It is looking like recovering. Oh God. I'm just like I'm riled up, dude. I'm riled up. I feel my
No, you did. That was really good, bro. That was really good. And it was just
yeah.
like, I think that on that performance right there, right?
Mhm. Yeah, give me a performance review.
Yeah, of course. I got you. So as far as your performance review, bro, it's like I really feel like it takes a very experienced trader to acknowledge the frustration, the anger, and then be aware of it, and then also like be like, okay, well, I have these feelings, but this is not going to put a veil in my eyes. This isn't going to blind me from seeing the next opportunity. I'm still
Yep.
going to wait. And
Yep.
then next thing you know, just like that, boom, mood
Boom.
change. And that's all
Boom.
it really takes is one good trade. Like that's
Yep.
all it takes. What the boys at SMB Capital say? All it takes is one good trade at a time, something like that.
Wait for it. Wait for it. I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere. All you need is one good trade.
One good trade.
One good
That's all.
trade.
That's all you
Oh, one
need,
good
bro.
trade, baby.
One good trade.
It was
So
cool
that was
doing
pretty
the
good. That was pretty good. I think that everybody should
thanks,
work on
bro.
that. You know, I'm a big psychology guy. So when it comes to acknowledging those emotions but not succumbing to them, that's a lost trade. That's a L. If you succumb to your emotions, that's a L.
Yeah. Look at this
That's
NQ
an
right into
L.
my target. Right into my target. Dying now. Shoulda, coulda,
But
woulda.
on the
It's
other end of the
okay.
performance review, you should have stuck to your plan because now
For
look.
sure. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
criticism. That's fair. That's fair. And it
Yeah,
is.
you
I
said
think
because you knew exactly what you were talking about. You planned
for
everything out
sure
from the beginning. You
I
had all
did.
your like you literally called everything out from the very, very beginning. The moment you entered the trade, you should have stuck with it. Because I mean,
That's
yeah,
yeah.
$900, but your plan wasn't complete till
My
now.
plan, I could have made 1,300 or 1,200 on this, but it's okay.
Hmm.
I'm pretty content with it overall. This because again, this is okay. This is a reminder for next time. Is when we have something like this, where we have an initial rejection and then a bounce at a level, and then one more extra sweep, and then a nice signal bar. Look at these are like death setups, dude, in a good way, right? It's like because you have the
Hmm.
extra sweep where everyone thinks it's going long. And that's why I'm so glad I didn't chase this. So in the moment, of course, when you're looking at just like this, it looks really bullish, right? You're like, oh, it looks great.
Hmm.
But the number one thing I thought here, because of course it crossed my mind, I was like, where's my stop if I get long here? Number one, I'm entering at high a day, which is like against my rules. I don't buy high a day and I don't short low a day. It's just not what I do. I'm like, my stop has to be down here at 86, 34 to 86. That's 50 points. It's massive, way too big of a stop.
Hmm.
So then look for the opposite side, realize that I'm only risking, in this case, it was like with 5 cons, I think it was like 25 points. But yeah, 25 points of risk. Much better. Much, much better. I think Brian got trailed there. Let's see if he did. But yeah, that pretty much is it. Got anything else, Lawrence? I think
Yeah, nothing else.
that's what we got for today. Guys, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, all that type of stuff. Really helps us grow. We appreciate all
Before
you.
we
We love
smash you.
Yeah, but pause. But yes,
Before we smash you.
it really helps us grow. We appreciate it. And as always, use code STRONG, Top One Futures. Go check them out. I'm trading on Top One Futures. I've taken 4 payouts last month on it. I just actually wanted to pull up and check because I'm pretty close to, I think, another one. Let's
Nice.
see where we're at. I'm 63. I am $1,100 away from my next payout, which is cool. Pretty close. Pretty close. We like that. That's great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's Brian moved to stop. See, brother, you just got taken out. I just watched you get taken out. I tried to trail you. Just got stopped. Yep. Well, it's a green trade no matter what. So that's good. Good shit. Good work. Good work, gentlemen and ladies in the chat. Appreciate all you. We're gonna cut it here. We're all done trading. It's done. It's just bleeding. But this is a great setup to study. Extra manipulation and then death. Love that. Really, really nice. So,
And death.
and then death. Yeah. So all right. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.